Right now, everything about the AI is about economy. Everything is about the economy. Whether it's autonomous driving cars, whether it's manufacturing cars, robots manufacturing cars, or whether it is algorithms that help me shop, or social media, or virtual shop assistants. Everything seems to be on how to improve GDP. We are harnessing AI to further strengthen and to expand GDP, not to create happiness and well-being of the people. Even when it comes to defense, we use AI a lot in the defense industries. But I would argue again there, the more of it you use in the defense industry, it is bottom line ultimately to expand the economy. So the question is, can we use AI? Should we use AI? Or rather, shouldn't we use AI to counter the weaknesses of GDP?